Am I live? Yes. Hi. Hi guys, I've just come live on Instagram and I'm really sorry about the delay. I was supposed to come live yesterday. And in all honesty, this quarantine has been busier than normal life because there's so much to do around the house and then I don't feel like I'm up for it. So thank you for being patient. And hi Jala, what's up? What's up? How are you? Hi Jai Hirpara. Hi. Hi at Kriti KFC. Hi. I love you guys. I've honestly today. Hi Neha. The reason I am live today is for all my fan clubs because I've kept them waiting for a while, and although we chat on Instagram, it's not as regular as I would have liked for it to be because it was my fault and not theirs. So sorry guys, and I will pakka be live more often, not just this quarantine but even after we get out of it. Hi Serena. Hi. Yes, Jwala, long time no see. Let's FaceTime tonight. I think it'll be fun. Yeah. So basically this quarantine, both Pulkit and I have actually first can someone tell me whether it's quarantine or quarantine because I'm very confused. I like both. So I'll use both as much as possible. But I'm so it just feels so nice nature wise. I think everything around me has changed drastically. I hear more birds than ever. I don't know if you all can hear them in the back, but because I stay in the RA, in the vicinity of RA, I do come across a lot of birds and all that. But this time around, the last 1 week, they've really, like, you can see them just enjoying themselves, and this is their space and how it was meant to be, maybe just that. But I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Hi Kritians, hi you guys, how are y'all? Hi Rehan, hi Anuj, hi Mr. Sharma. I know a lot of guys are sending me a request to be live. Oi Ronnie, hi. If you're young then quarantine then thank you that's so sweet. Sunana Suris, how are you? It's been so long. Okay guys, time for some really cool questions. Okay, now I will. Hi, maar hi daloge matlab. Oh, so okay, so sweet. All right. Yeah. No, I'm not wearing makeup. It's okay. It's allowed. Heroines are allowed to get online without makeup. I know at Kriti KFC and it'll not happen again. I promise you I'll be more careful. And I know I promised this even the last time and I didn't stick to it. But this time I'm like pizza swear. Promise. I'm very, very good. Thank you. Thank you, Kritians. Lots of hugs and kisses right back at y'all. Hi, Kabir. Hi, David. Hi, Sujay. Hi, Sachin. Yes, I'm in quarantine just like everybody else, okay? And how it's supposed to be. You're supposed to be indoors, supposed to like chill at home. Learn to spend time with yourself. It's the best thing in the world. I am not bored at all, fortunately for me. Quarantine is something that I think this is my normal way of life. It's probably my fundamental personality. So I'm very happy, no issues whatsoever. And also I think because everyone needed this break, and sometimes when you take a break yourself, there is a certain amount of guilt that you're not working as hard, or nobody tells you this is all in your head, but this happens. It happens to the best of us. It's happened to me where I feel like, oh, I don't deserve a break. मैंने करा ही क्या है अभी तक? But I think everyone does deserve it, and your body tends to give up after a certain point of time. But I am so glad that people have abided by the rules and they have listened to RPM and they've made sure that they've stayed indoors. There's so many of them who are still getting out, guys. Not cool at all. But having said that, to the big hooray to the ones who have, to the ones who are staying in quarantine and respecting the human body. हमें सिर्फ घर पे बैठना है, घर के काम करने हैं, अपनों के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना है. दैट कैन नॉट बी डिफिकल्ट. इट इज़ सो बेसिक what we've been asked for, but हाँ ठीक है. Everyone has their own point of views. Anyway, so let's take some questions. Thanks, Mohammed. That's so sweet. I hope I'm so glad you all enjoy my movies. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, Jassi Banga. What's up? नहीं करूँगी वापस हैरी. मैं नहीं करूँगी 3 करोड़ की घूस वापस. I am missing my friends. Of course, I'm missing my friends. I FaceTime with them pretty much every alternate night, and it's good. It's fun. I FaceTime with my family. We've all been playing Tambola online. So my family in Delhi plays a lot. I play once in a while, but otherwise we've been playing a lot of Monodeal, a lot of games online, and I think my Sudoku has gotten so much better. I've been indulging in Sudoku and how it's crazy. I love it. I've always loved Sudoku as a kid. I love puzzles. So, hello darling of Pulkit ji. Thank you, hi. Someone messaging, hello darling of Pulkit ji. Pulkit ji is sitting here. You don't want to mess with Pulkit ji. Love from Pune. Thank you, hi. Ketan, hi, thank you. How am I maintaining my fitness at home? I think जो घर के काम कर रहे हैं ना, हम लोग कितने काम कर रहे हैं. Hi Zaid. उसी में आधे से ज्यादा आई थिंक पुट ऑन तो होगा नहीं, बिकॉज इफ यू आर जेन्युइनली डूइंग योर वर्क एट होम, chances are that you will not put on weight, because that's how the human body was supposed to function. हमें अपने काम खुद करने चाहिए is the motto that we should live with now, to understand how important it is. Also, I think a lot of people have suddenly understood the importance of domestic help, the importance of the workers of a building or the ones who clean the streets. I'm talking about something that's so close to you, something very internal. A lot of people have understood the value of it, and I hope that these people are treated with utmost respect and things like that. You hear about stuff where doctors are not allowed to enter their localities because other people are worried that they may transfer the virus to them, and it's just sad that there are people who are actually risking their lives for us and we are not respecting them. We would be wrong, because I think majority of us are doing it. There are few far in between who are disrespecting what is going on, and I think they are single-handedly ruining the name of the human race, and I don't think that's cool. So yeah. Hi Krithians. Yes, I'm going to message on the group, and we're going to do this as soon as quarantine is over, because I want to meet you guys. Hi Anjali, how are you? Long time no see. We'll meet again when I go to get my hair done. फुकरे इधर ही बैठा है, मेरे पास बैठा है, लेकिन ये मेरा इंस्टा लाइव है, so talk to me. Hi Rajan, thank you. Love to Kolkata, right back. Hi FC Kritu. Hi Ankit. Hello Uma. Hi. शाम की चाय हो गई? नहीं, अभी कॉफी पियेंगे. The real shit Gyan. I will read your memes and I will drink some coffee and have a wonderful evening. Guys, if you all don't follow him, you all must. Him or her. I don't know who it is. So, Kriti Kharbanda Princess. Hi. Aarti ji, hi. Devansh. You're amazing too. I love you too. What dishes am I cooking this quarantine? We made chole puri the other day. Then yesterday we made a halwa and kale chana and puri again. Lots of puris being consumed this quarantine. But so yeah, basically we're cooking that. Then we made matar paneer the other day, and it was really, really nice. So yeah, we've been experimenting with cooking, but I think what we're trying to do is not recreate bahar ka khana. We want to eat ghar ka khana as much as possible, because in our normal routine we tend to eat out very often, more often than not actually, and then ghar pe bhi kuch na kuch fancy ban hi jata hai. I think this is our time. We are really like succumbing to our home recipes and really want to eat ghar ka khana, and I think it's a great feeling. Oh, you guys also made puri today. I made puri yesterday. Because yesterday was Ashtami. So yeah, I didn't cook today, but then again it's okay. Done a lot of other stuff. We've been playing a lot with Drogo, who is such a cutie, such a baby doll, absolutely adorable. If he comes here, I will bring him live with me. Uh, Hi, Kriti Kharmanda fan forever. Hi, guys. I love you too. Any movies I'm watching? I watched The Godfather, and don't kill me for saying this, but I hadn't seen it earlier. But I finally watched Godfather, and I watched a lot of other films that I hadn't watched over the last few years, in fact. For those of you who do not know this, because I genuinely deal with claustrophobia, I'm really, really afraid of the dark. I get really anxious when I watch a movie in a theater, because I need to sit closer to the exit so I feel like I can breathe. So I do have this issue, because of which I do miss a lot of films, and sometimes there have been a couple of times I haven't watched my own, maybe because I'm so nervous that I couldn't watch it, and then the dark just freaked me out. So yeah, I've done stuff like that. So I'm catching up on a lot of films that I haven't watched in the past. I finally watched The Godfather, and oh my god. I mean, I have no words to describe what I felt in that moment of watching the film. It was absolutely amazing. So yeah, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग रहा है मेरा क्वारंटीन. आप लोग बताइए, शादी में ज़रूर आना part 2. Any plan? Of course there's a plan, and we are working towards it, and it's something that's definitely going to happen. But let's see when it happens now. But plan तो है, and hopefully करके दिखाएंगे. तो let's see. You're my crush. How sweet. Thank you, Rahul. Oh my god. Hi. Thank you so much, Anjali. Hi, Uttam. Oh, your name's Uttam. Hi. You can't ask me to choose between Akshay Kumar or Salman Khan. I mean, I want both. Hi, Litesh. How are you? Doctor, it seems. Thanks, Uttam. Hey, Kidira. 7 baje bajne aaye. Gotta go watch Mahabharat. See you liking my memes soon. Ha! Alrighty, I'll see you soon. What happened to my connection? There you guys are. Lip color. My favorite lip color. I like wearing tints more than anything else. I just find googly too yavaga nange gottilla pavan hatra idbeku ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಸಾರಿ ಪವನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಗೂಗ್ಲಿ ಟು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಖಂಡಿತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ. ಬಟ್ 100% ಪವನ್ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ I haven't spoken Kannada in a while. One of my favorite films, my favorite Hollywood films, I think would have to be Pretty Woman and Erin Brockovich. Yeah. So cool. I wanted, like, Julia Roberts is just, oh my god, that smile. She's just so beautiful. There's something so lovely about her. I could watch her just day in and day out. She's got to be by far, hands down, my most favorite actress. I'm getting looks from the man. Hi. Which Bollywood movie? Meenal? Meenal itni मैं बोल भी नहीं सकती. I watched some movie, I don't remember it. We are reaching 12k followers on Twitter. Wish us snap, please. Of course, Litesh, 100% for sure. I will. I'm sorry, guys, I'm not so active on Twitter. I've been told that I should be, but the problem is that when I start writing, then I can't stop. And that is a little bit of an issue with me. But what we're going to start doing now is... Anyway, I'll tell you when all of it is done. I shouldn't talk about it now. But yeah, I'm going to figure out a way to be interacting with my fans a lot more. Interacting with everybody a lot more. So yeah, there is a plan in the process. So once it materializes, I will tell all you lovely people. Obviously, मैं और कहाँ जाऊँगी. But yeah. और क्या हो रहा है, guys? Someone please tell me what are you all up to? Give me some interesting gossip from your neighborhood. I think it'll be fun. Let's try it. What do you say? Oi, thank you. Yes, I know. I am safe. I hope you guys are safe too. I hope you guys are washing your hands, and I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves, and I hope you're spending time with your families and not fighting with them, because now is not the time. And yeah, I mean, I really miss being around my brother and sister. Ye summer holidays wali feels hai in their own way. So I really miss being around them. I really do. मेरा क्वारंटीन बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है यार. I'm not complaining. I'm so glad. Hi to everyone in UK. I'm so glad. So are we. We are also quarantined, and I'm okay. And everyone around me seems to be doing fine. Thank you for asking. Do you like kawa biryani? No, Saurav, I'm not sure what kawa biryani is. Can you tell me what it is? Sorry, Marvel. I'm not doing any Telugu films right now, but hopefully soon. Kawa biryani क्या होती है? Kawa biryani कौन? I'm live, babe. I don't know. How would I know what it is? Okay, please, whoever asked me this, tell me what kawa biryani is. I really need to know. I'm being made fun of. Thank you so much, guys. How sweet are your family? I say thank you. Talk in Kannada. ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಗೂಗ್ಲಿ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೆ. ಗೂಗ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆ. ಯು ಸಿ ಅ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ and I swear I'll repeat it. Meena, I'm going to kick your ass. We do not tell the world how competitive I am, yeah? Kawa biryani. I think crow biryani. No. It cannot be crow biryani. If you eat crow biryani, please get off my live right now. It's not cool. Please sing a song. Baba, you leave the live and run away if I sing a song. We should all sing. Googly movie dialogue. I don't know. And it's not Google, it's Googly. No need to... guys, some of you are like really disgusting. I must say, these are some very stupid questions. Disgusting questions. So please leave the live. I have no problem with it. Oh, it's a joke from Run movie. Okay, alright. How would I know? Okay, I haven't watched the movie. I'm sorry. Thank you, Uma. Thank you. Hi, Akshay. I know I love that song too. तू पंजा कली बनारस की मैं शाम तलक भटकूं तुझ में. हाँ यार, जोक था, समझ आ गया. सोना सोना इतना भी कैसे तू सोना. Jogi is actually my most favorite song from Shaadi Mein Zaroor Aana. Followed by Pallo Latke, Intikam. Actually, all the songs are really nice. How do you choose? Oh, that way kawa biryani. Very smart question. Sorry that I judged you. Thank you, Raj. Thank you so much. Hi. I just sang. I'm not singing again. Already I sang very uglily. My favorite song ever, I think, has to be अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म. अब अगली बार जब मैं प्रिपेयर करके आऊँगी ना, तो हम लोग अच्छे से गाना गाएंगे. Thank you guys. चलो, I'm gonna run and पुलकित सर चिल कर रहे हैं. और हाँ, basically my favorite sandalwood actor, I have so many. I really like Sudeep sir and I like Puneet Rajkumar sir. And Yash to is I mean, I've worked with him, so it would be unfair to say that I would love to work with him again, because I've said it 1,000 times. But if I have to pair up with anybody in the Kannada film industry, I mean, the three people I would definitely want to work with again definitely is Yash. I want to work with Sudeep sir, and I want to work with Puneet Rajkumar sir. So yeah, guys, you have to see this. It's so beautiful. Everything is so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Can you hear the birdies? Yeah? I love you guys. Moving back to you. Can you hear the birdies? I can hear the birdies. I can hear the birdies. Chalo. Tollywood has so many. I really like Prabhas. I love Mahesh Babu. Power star Pawan Kalyan. There are actually so many. That's not fair. There's Bunny. There's Charan. There's Tarak. There are so many people. Vijay. So yeah, I want to work with everyone. Why choose? Oh my. Okay, so my favorite scene from Houseful, I think it has to be मैं अबला हूँ तबला नहीं. The drama. I love the drama. I never complain. But drama is always welcome. Fun drama, but positive drama. Alright guys, so the next time I go live, I will post about it 24 hours in advance, and I will make sure that all of you are aware that I'm going online, because a lot of people have complained here saying that we just came online and now you're going offline, all of that. So I'm really, really sorry about it. Makes sense. Next time I will make sure that I will post a day or two in advance, and I will let you know what time I'm coming live. And the next time I come live, I am gonna go live with a couple of people. That's gonna happen. Okay, I love you guys. मैंने सत्तू का दिल नहीं तोड़ा. Okay, I love you guys. Thanks Anjali. I will see you soon. मैम हिंदी में बोलना, मैं अभी हिंदी में ही तो बोल रही थी. What about Corona, ma'am? I think I have talked about it, and it is something that the country is very, very aware about at the moment. So yeah, we will talk about it again. I think this is the time. This was my time to de-stress a little bit, and I'm so glad that you guys are so helpful. And I love you guys, and I will chat with you all really, really soon. And next time we go live with 2 more people, and I will tell you who those 2 are. So yeah, I love you. Have fun. Bye.